How can I help you? In real time. It must be very serious. So what could it be? Really? Like me? Wait, I don't know you. Hello, Ben. You sure came back as you said. Anyway, nice to see you again. Oh, that's fine with me. I don't want to go too far away anyway. Just in time for lunch break. Sure, Mr. Ben, thank you. It's quite chilly out here, but I like it anyway. Okay, I come from a family of three, two girls and a boy. Loving parents.
Sure, Betty. I have been doing fine and ever looking forward to this, our second outing. Hey, my dear, this beautiful flower is for you. Please do keep it on your desk here in this office.
So guys, how would you like to make videos like the one you just seen now? I will walk you through how you can create video from scripts, from your characters, name it. Without much ado, let's dive into it. So guys, these are the three main things you need to have ready to make your video. You need scripts written out or in a text form, audio, and images. So, so now that you have your script in text form, I will now take you to this website. The app will transform your text into audio. So let's go. So we go to and type in Google AI Studio and click connect. And it will bring you to this page. And let's scroll down. What you want is, so guys, this is what we want. Make sure it's this one, Google AI Studio. Click on it. And it brings us to this page. And let's click on this one, Generate Native Speech with Gemini. So here we are on this page. But before I go on, let me play an audio for you that this Google AI created for me, so that you will know how good this Google AI Studio is amongst all other apps that translate text into speech. This one gives you very realistic audio with emotions involved. Guys, listen to this wonderful
Help
audio
you
created.
Yes, Betty. I really need your help in real time.
in real time. It must be very serious. So, what could it be?
I am looking for a woman whom I will spend my whole life with. And the woman looks like you.
Really? Like me?
Would you like to go on a date with me?
Wait, I don't know you.
Okay. Hey, here is my profile. Goggle it, Facebook, Instagram, whatever. And I will be back in 3 days.
Hello, Ben. You sure came back
Okay,
as you
guys, let
said.
me now show you how you can
Anyway,
do this.
nice to
So,
see you
this is
again.
the Google AI Studio. So, let me show you how you can transform your text in scripts, your scripts in text into audio. So, here you have a single speaker and a multiple speaker. So, if it's only one character you have in your video, you go for this one. If it's multiple character, like character one, character two, you go for multiple speakers. So let's go for the single one first. So we click on here, right? So you click on single speaker and you scroll down. For me, I think the single character is too straightforward. Let's go for the multiple character. So let's say we have two characters in our video. So you click on multi speaker. So you have your text for each character, character one, character two. So speaker one is character one. So you scroll down, you delete this, whatever you find here, and then you delete that and type in your text for the first statement of the first script for character 1. You type it here, and for you scroll down, and for character 2 you type it, you delete whatever you find here and type in. Apparently I realized that when you try to paste, it doesn't really work well. So you're better off typing straight into the space for each character. And then you can continue like that. You go here, add dialogue. It gives you the next line. So you now type again, second line of character 1. You keep going on and on like that. Once you want to add to the lines, let's say your character has about each character has about 10 lines in the video. So you type in for each of the characters all in here. All you need to do, just keep scrolling down, scroll down, and just keep clicking on add dialogue. That will take you to another blank space for character 1, character 2 lines. So you keep going on and on and on like that till you are, done with all the lines that each character wants to have in the video. So let's now assume that you've typed into this space all the lines for each character in your video. Now you want to pick the voice that you want for each character. So you go here. So here you have for character 1. Don't bother to put the name for now. You might not need it. So here, voice for character 1. So you go here and you click. So you have a whole load of voices that you can pick from. So you also have the opportunity to click each one and test to hear the sound of the voice so that you can pick the unique voice you want for each character. So let's try one here. Okay, guys, let's test this one.
What kind what kind of problem could we solve?
Let's test this one.
What kind of masterpiece are we aiming
Let's
for?
test this one.
What sparks
So
your
guys, you
interest?
keep testing as many voice sound that you want to check to pick the exact one you think is ideal for your character 1. So once you're done, once you pick, you just click.
What's a skill?
So you click on that. So it registers that character here. That's for your character 1. So now let's scroll down. So here we have speaker 2, which refers to character 2 in your video. So now we scroll down. We do the same thing as we've done above. We click on, it's not showing here. Okay, let me, hold on, guys. So anyway, you scroll down and you also check, you find something like this too under this because it's not showing in this video. When I scroll down, my camera doesn't catch, doesn't show that part. But once you scroll down, you get something like this also for speaker 2. So you click on the side and you get a whole list of voices that you can also pick from that you now do as you have done for character 1. Click on that voice that you choose and it will come and register. So now you have 2 character voices that you want to use. Voila! So guys, I'm so sorry my camera is not picking the bottom. So right under this line, this part, you scroll all the way down, you will see somewhere where it says RUN, run. Now you click on that run and you let the app run your stuff and you see a circle rolling beside that run. And you let it run. Once it stops, you will just automatically hear your audio, speaking out. So after you're done listening to your the output, that is your audio, if you're okay with the way it sounds, then you click on where that spot where the audio is playing. You right click and you got a list and you click on save video as, and it will save into your folder. But the audio that came out, if you're not satisfied with it, you can as well edit again, change whatever you want to change in the text you typed in, or you desire to change the speaker, the voice. You want to change the voice around. You can also do that with the same script that you have typed out, and you will click on run again. It will run another audio for you. So when you're satisfied with the audio that is produced finally, then you right click on that spot where the audio is playing from and save. So guys, that's all. I'm so sorry that my camera did not carry the lower part of this page, but please bear with me. So guys, I'll still continue. Now you have your audio, you've got your script, you now have your audio stored. Store it in a folder, name that folder. Better name it as the title of what your video will be. So now we go ahead to create our character. So we're going to ChatGPT. So guys, see what ChatGPT has produced for me. Right, here are the characters that ChatGPT had produced for me. So how do I go about with creating this character with ChatGPT? As you all know, ChatGPT is so easy to work with. So easy. All you need to do, it comes up and says, how can I help you? So all you need to do is just type in what you want. For example, see what I typed here. Generate an image of an handsome black African American young man, smooth facial skin, big eyes, short dark hair, wearing dark brown suit with white shirt, mustard color bow tie, and here comes what ChatGPT produced for me. And if you so desire you want to alter this, you can still go on to the next line and tell ChatGPT, add this, add that. So guys, but if you want me to, I can also, this script here, I can also put it in the description box. So in case you want to use it as well. Okay, so there we are. And see this amazing one that ChatGPT produced for me. You know how I got this? I just gave ChatGPT these two photos which ChatGPT produced for me. So I said, now create these two people here in a restaurant eating. ChatGPT is too much, and here is what ChatGPT comes up with for me. So now we have our characters.